Good morning, students. Today we shall study chapter 33. Topic of the chapter is Rusty makes new friends, which is a passage. And the passage I have already explained you through a YouTube link. I hope you all have seen that video. So now we will see the question answers related to this passage. Question number 1 is describe the colorful atmosphere of the day of the festival. So in the passage, it is being told that it was spring, and during spring season we celebrate the festival of Holi, because in this passage about colors also being told. So let's see the answer. On the day of the festival, clouds of colored dust rose in the air. The jets of colorful water burst out everywhere. The wall of houses suddenly patched with splashes of colors, and the trees seemed to have burst into flowers. So what happened on the day of the festival? On the day of the festival, you can see the dust of colored clouds everywhere, which was rising in the air, and the jets we can say pichkari in Hindi. The jets of colorful water was bursting out everywhere, and the walls of houses suddenly became colorful with the stains of the colors, and the trees were there with the flowers, because it was spring season, and during the spring season the flowers bloom on the trees. Question number 2 is what were the children doing at the clock tower? So there was a particular place, the clock tower. What were the children doing at that place? Let's see the answer. At the clock tower, the children formed groups. They were squirting colors by their bicycle pumps. They paraded the main road and were chanting shrilly with clapping their hands. So at the clock tower, the children formed groups. First of all, they were squirting. Squirting means they were sprinkling colors by their bicycle pumps. Pumps, which was a type of a pichkari. So from their bicycle pumps, they were sprinkling the colors. They paraded the main road. Paraded means they were organizing a kind of procession on the main road, and they were chanting. Shrilly means they were chanting loudly with clapping their hands. Question number 3 is what did Ranbir's friend do to Rusty when they first met him? So the passage is about Ranbir and Rusty. They are the main characters. What did Ranbir's friend do to Rusty when they first met him? Let's see the answer. Ranbir's friends squirted sooty black water on Rusty's face. They teared his shirt and smeared his face with colors roughly and forcefully. So first of all, Ranbir's friends squirted means sprinkled sooty blackish water on Rusty's face, and then they teared his shirt and they smeared his face with colors roughly and forcefully. Question number 4 is what happened to Rusty's clothes? Answer is Rusty's clothes were drenched with watercolors, and Ranbir's friend teared his shirt while putting colors on him. So first of all, Rusty's clothes were drenched. Drenched means bhige hue with watercolors, and after that Ranbir's friend teared his shirt while putting colors on his face and while putting colors on him. Question number 5 is what did Rusty see when his eyes cleared? So when Ranbir's friends came to Rusty, they sprinkled colors on the face of Rusty, and he was not able to see at that time anything. So when his eyes were cleared, what did Rusty see? Let's see the answer. Answer is Rusty wildly looked at the group of boys and girls who cheered and danced in front of him, and he began to spit on them. So first of all, when his eyes were cleared, Rusty looked at the groups of boys and girls wildly who were cheering and dancing in front of him, and he began to spit on them. Now let's see question number 6. What followed the bicycle pump attack? Why was Rusty bewildered? Bewildered means surprised. So when Ranbir's friend met Rusty, they have attacked Rusty with bicycle pump. Pump means a kind of pichkari. So what followed the bicycle pump attack, and why was Rusty surprised? Let's see the answer. After the bicycle pump attack, the friends of Ranbir gently rubbed the colors on Rusty's cheeks and hugged him. This gentle greetings made Rusty bewildered. So after the attack, After the attack of colors, Ranbir's friend gently rubbed the colors on Rusty's face and cheeks, and they hugged him, and it was very gentle. This gentle greetings made Rusty bewildered, made Rusty surprised. Now let's see forward, that is make sentences with the words of exercise C. In the passage there is an exercise C in which words were given and we have done the meanings of those words. Now we have to make sentences with those same words. First one is outbreak, and the meaning of outbreak is a sudden occurrence of something. So the sentence which we have made, that is, there is an outbreak of COVID-19 in the world from 2020. That means there was a sudden outbreak of COVID-19, sudden occurrence of COVID-19 in the world from 2020. Second word is given, that is blossom. It means to produce flowers. And the sentence is the peach tree has an excellent blossom this year. That means the peach tree is having a lots of flowers this year, is producing lots of flowers this year. Third one is shrilly. That means loudly or forcefully. The monkeys cry shrilly when they see danger. So when the monkey see danger, he cries shrilly. He cries loudly or forcefully. Fourth one is drummed. It means to hit a surface regularly to make a sound. And the sentence is the rain drummed wildly on the roof. That means the rain was continuously hitting on the roof and it was a sound of a drum. Fifth one is blundered. It means to make a stupid and careless mistake. And the sentence is he had blundered in his treatment of measles. That means he had done a stupid and careless mistake in his treatment of measles. Sixth one is flaming. It means burning fiercely. And the sentence is, oh, look at your flaming cheeks. That means the cheeks of a person is completely burning. So this was the work related to lesson 33. I hope everything is clear to all of you. Thank you everyone.